How to make iPhone app icons smaller or bigger. If you're struggling to find out how to do it, this video is right for you as we will teach you some tricks to do that. Firstly, what you have to do is go and tap on your settings. Firstly, scroll down and tap on the option called Display and Brightness. Scroll down again and tap on the option called Display Zoom, which is on the last option of your screen. Here you can choose if you want to choose larger text or default. As you can see, I tapped on larger text, so my icon will be now bigger. But if you change your mind and want to take it in default, tap on default. It completely depends on what kind of icon you want. In this way, you can easily change your iPhone app icons into smaller or bigger in your desired choice. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.